Now, there we go. I'm too weak to move it. I feel like I'm so sideways. Is it okay if you Yeah, comes from Jack. I'll just do it around you. Alright. We're gonna play a song basically that is about, it's just like, are there kids here? Is this kids? We don't care. Well, don't do anything bad until you're over 21. Then you can do whatever you want. You can jump rope, you can have skills after 10, it's awesome. But this is just about loving everybody and we're all in this together. And I like to say that if we all just keep screwing with the same color, that's when life's gonna be perfect. So that's what this song is really about. Having sex and making babies. Yeah, it's about loving everybody.